Our aerostructures MRO supports a wide range of repair and overhaul capabilities for nacelles, thrust reversers and engine mount components. We'll also have a dedicated 24/7 AOG team to support. Interiors, we have a wide array of capabilities on evacuation slides for both narrow body and wide body aircraft. In fact, we are the largest A380 repair and overhaul site for evacuation systems in the world. On the landing systems side, in collaboration with our global OEM and OE partners, we offer a complete overhaul solution in the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A380. We really do have our customers' needs satisfied, from hangar technical support through the overhaul process up into delivery and installation. In the AMS side of the business, our air management systems, we offer repair and overhaul services for the Boeing 777, heat exchangers and condenser reheaters. It really has been a really exciting year. Over the last 12 months, the respective legacy sites and regional leaders have really come together to be a force to be reckoned with in the Middle East, and I'm really looking forward to our future successes together.